Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I make my tilapia fillet in some thick, rich, creamy coconut sauce with some steamed young ochroes, garnished with some parsley, and you can use it with some rice, some bread, or you can use it as it is. And don't you forget to watch the ads, because the ads are everything, guys. It's gonna help me to get my revenue in, okay? Don't skip those ads. Alright, so I did wash and clean my tilapia fillet and I pat dry them. Now I'm going to add some lemon pepper seasoning, onion powder, some garlic powder, ginger powder, and a combination of dried seasonings that I mixed together, and I will be listing every details in the description box below. Now I'm going to season it well, and then I'm going to set it aside and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Over here I have some seasonings that I cut up to use, which is thyme, bell pepper, some young ochroes, I have some red onions, some garlic, chive, and of course some tomatoes that I did pick from my plant pot, and some garlic. Feel free to use any type of onions, alright? I also have some seasonings to flavor the pot, and of course some coconut milk, which is the key to this recipe, alright? So I have a pot over medium heat, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And you want this butter to melt. Then I'm going to add the chopped garlic. So you want to toss the garlic around just for about a minute. Do not let it burn, guys. Now I'm going to add the onions. And I'm just going to toss this around for just a couple of seconds. Add the bell peppers right into the pot. And guys, I just love colors, alright? So I have some red and some orange bell pepper here. Toss them around again just for a few seconds. I don't want them to cook too much because you don't want them to, you want to see the actual vegetables into this recipe. Add some chives. Then I'm going to add just a few sprigs of thyme and the coconut milk. Now you want to add the seasonings, guys, so that you can flavor the pot. And stir. This recipe is so simple, it is so easy and quick to make, and very tasty, of course. Add the young ochroes in here to steam along with some tomatoes. Okay, so you wanted this to cook until the mixture starts to thicken, all right? So I'm going to make space to put the fish inside. As you can see that the coconut milk has been cooked down and it starts to look creamy and nice. And I'm going to add the fish. Once I add the fish, guys, I'm going to add the pepper in there just for it to steam and give that extra flavor. Turn the heat very low and let this cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the pot is bubbling, it's done. The fillet are very thin, so they are going to cook quickly. Garnish with some parsley, use it with some rice, use it with some bread. You can use it as it is. Make some rotis, whatever you want to use it with. And this is the finished product, guys. Thank you for watching and give it a try. Don't you forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.